Welcome, each and every one of you, to Mail Call at with Law Larry Fountain Pen Reviews. All right. Hey, today's a beautiful day. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, and the temperature outside is spectacular. 84 degrees and sunny. Can't beat that with a stick. But we still have one major problem, the deadly virus. Please be careful out there. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. No joke. Not fun. Wash them hands. Keep them clean. Keep a distance from people. Small groups, 10 or less. But keep distance. What, at least 6 feet, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
Something like that. So, okay. I'll be working on some more hand sanitizers today. All right, here we go. Mail call day. And I picked this up from Pen Chalet. Good folks, good deal, great service. Pen Chalet rocks. Here we go. And you'd be surprised when I'm getting this box. Because do I need this? No. Like I need a hole in my head? Probably, to drain out the stupidness in me, because I have enough ink. But I bit the bullet. Of course, with Pen Chalet, you always get this. Every little bit helps. Right. I need to say that, because I forgot to use it. All right, here we go. Here we go. First, we'll take out this little darling. Now, here's one that I've been wondering about since it came out, the Sailor California ink. And this stuff's expensive. But I can't wait to try it out. And we'll just do a little test of all these inks. Probably in a few days. See how they look on paper for you. Now let's go ahead and get this out. I know, and that's it. I bit the bullet, right? I can't help it. So this one is going to be the Platinum Classic. I'll let Mr. Announcer do the honors.
Let's see. I guess that's going to be Cassie Black.
Yeah, it is. And you can do that one. And then I'll do one little
Blue-black platinum dye.
And this is the Waterman Mysterious Blue.
And this one is Forest Black.
All right. Forest Black, huh? And I'll show you something else that Pen Chalet does, which I like. And Mr. Announcer, you can do... Okay.
Sweet Potato Purple.
And this one is the TWSBI Blue Black. Now, let's just get these off. This is what I like what Pen Chalet does. So you can see the colors of the ink. I, usually will do that. But Pen Chalet takes care of that. So that's one less job I don't have to entertain. Right there. Can you see that pretty good? Great stuff. And, I've never had the TWSBI line yet. That hadn't been out too long. And the Waterman, the Mysterious Blue, I don't have that. I just have the Audacious Red and Serenity Blue, I believe it's called. And of course the Platinum Black, I don't have any of that. And Blue Back from Platinum, since I have some Platinum pens, I want to check it out. And the Bum Box, the Sweet Potato Purple, that looks and sounds interesting. Last but not least, like I said, the TWSBI Blue Black. There you go. Well, there you go, folks. All my little friends have all come to meet you guys. Folks, thank you for joining me in today's mail call. Take care, my friends. Be safe out there. Wash them hands, and as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye. Later.